Hey, good morning to you all out there. Hey, do you like saving money? Better yet, do you like saving money and making money and have a chance of beating inflation? I would recommend setting up a brokerage account and start investing into an ETF that is diversified in the S&P 500. Over time, you should be able to have a pretty good return. Check it out. I use Charles Schwab. I would recommend doing your own research, as I am no financial advisor. You can make a fairly decent return, better than you can on a savings account where you get less than 1%. Over the last year, I have made a significant return, over 50% on the money that I put in. Check it out and start investing today and let that money make money for you. Let it work for you. Good luck. Comment if you have any questions. Thanks.